Hello. Well, we are on our handle. That is the last part that we need for folding. Okay, on here, step number 1 for the handle, it says mark a 1/4 inch hem on each side using a marking gauge. So on each long side, you want to mark in a 1/4 inch because we're going to hem our piece over. Remember, the hem means to take and fold it all the way over, pound it down. We use that so we don't have such a sharp edge, and it gives us a lot of strength. Once we do that, we also need to make a 1/2 inch mark. So I have a 1/4 inch, and then I have a 1/2 inch mark. All right. Then it tells us we need to fold the hem with the brake press. You pound down with the mallet. I want to do this one side at a time. So I'm going to lift this up, place my material inside of my brake press, bring it up all the way. Now before I pound it down, I find it easier, or before I fold the other side, I find it easier to pound down this side so it doesn't get crushed. So I'm just going to take from the top, pound it down, and go back over it to make sure it's nice and flat. Then I'm going to repeat the same step on the opposite side by doing my hem, locking it in place, bringing it all the way up, and pounding it down again. Alright, so now I have my hems created on here. You'll notice that there's a 1/2 inch line that we had marked before. I need to take that and I'm going to place it in my brake press again. And I'm only going to fold it about 75 degrees. I don't want to fold it all the way 90. So bring it up so, and then the other side. And the reason that we do this is it's easier to grip our material. Now some people might put it in there. You want to make sure that the hems are facing up when you put it in there. If the hems are facing down, you could have some rough edges, and when you go to carry your little toolbox, then you might cut your fingers. All right, so make sure that the hems are facing up. Once we have our piece folded like this, okay, it's nice, it's long. All right, I'm going to take the vice grip and I'm going to fold my edges over. Okay, so now I have my folded pieces facing up. I'm simply going to take my vice grip, clamp it on one of the ends, and I'm just going to bring it down to a 90-degree angle, like that. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Fold it down to a 90-degree angle, open it up, and there, I have my handle. The only thing missing on this handle right now is my name. So make sure, again, you have your name on all of your pieces. If you need help, you can ask a friend, ask the teacher, or just read your directions or rewatch this video again.